Thank you, Teddy Blake, for sending me this nice bag. Teddy Blake got tons and tons of bags, all sizes, all shapes, all colors. Thank you, Teddy Blake. So every bag is made with the same quality, but every bag is made unique just for you. Hashtag Teddy Blake. So everybody out there that's got a Teddy Blake bag, go down in my comment section and show your bag. If you don't have one, after you see this bag, you gonna want one. And I got a coupon code for y'all. It's gonna be in the description box. Make sure if you don't have your Teddy Blake, go and get you one. They got a sale going on too, okay? Hello everybody, it's Supportive Mom and I am back. I am here today to show y'all something that I have received. Thank you, Teddy Blake, for sending me this nice bag. Y'all, they allowed me to pick out whatever bag I wanted from their site. And y'all know Teddy Blake got tons and tons of bags. Y'all, this bag is nice. I want to show you all this bag and the way that it came packaged. Teddy Blake got it going on. So the bag that I chose was the 14-inch Kimster Spato, Stampato. So if I mispronounced that. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you all this bag because y'all might want to go and get you all a nice Teddy Blake of New York bag. First, I'm going to share a few of the features that Teddy Blake offers with these nice bags. They have dream designs that Teddy Blake creates for every style of choice. I told y'all they got all type of bags, every color, every size, whatever you want. Premium Italian leather, where you get a chance to enjoy the luxury feel and the smell of real leather. Everybody likes that good, nice smell of leather. You have experienced craftsman. Yes, it's made in Italy, high quality, attention to detail, imaginative design, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands do. They never compromise on quality. And yes, it is a luxury. Y'all know all us girls, we love us a nice luxury bag. When I first received it, it came packaged in this very nice box. It was not ripped. It did not come with this little tear here that y'all see. Let me make that understood. The packaging was very good. This is something that I did. The box, I like how this is. Teddy Blake of New York. And as you open it up, look at Teddy Blake, that's class. Discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Let's go in and discover it and see what we got. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you and me in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Y'all know how we like to do it. And look at the packaging, the way it comes. It's packaged so nicely. Y'all know, have you ever received something? You like, I know they didn't ship me my product like this. Look at this nice packaging. This is nice. Thumbs up to you, baby.
Invincible.
Wrapped in a nice bubble plastic bag. So even if the box was to get ripped, it's still wrapped so nicely so that your bag will not get damaged. That's a plus for Teddy Blake. And then it's folded nice, bubble not all this balled up. Everything has that luxury look. So let's get this open. It's in a very nice duster bag. Luxury and class. I chose this bag for size. I normally don't like to carry large bags, but look at this handle. Even if I decide I want to carry it this way, y'all know how us ladies like to do it. And this feels really good in my arm. I like this. It came with the packaging very nice and neatly. A nice strap. It's of the same great quality that the bag is made of. Smell it? Good leather smell. They wanted to make sure that the bottom stayed shaped. So what they did, they have the paper on the inside. The packaging is perfect. I give them 100 on their package. Inside, they have the name. It has a nice pouch here. So if you're going through the airport, you just want to slip your driver's license or ID there. This bag is the perfect size, ladies, to carry your envelope, our wallet. Every girl has to have your nice brush, some nice cologne, some good lotion. Got to have your scent, a little moisturizer if you need it. I always got to have my bottled water with me. Oh, let me show y'all this. What I like about these straps, you have 1, 2, 3. So you can put it here or you can tighten it all the way over here. This one, or this one. When you do that, this is here. And then it just twists. See how it's up and down and it locks. This is gonna be like my go-to bag. If you choose to, you can put the strap on it. If I'm gonna use the strap, then I would just do the crossbar. Of course, all you wanna do, if you're gonna put it on your shoulder, you're just gonna take this. And this right here opens real easy too. Sometimes, y'all know some of these bags you get them, this be a little hard to push in. But this opens up really easy. And you're just gonna snap it in. Now it's a shoulder bag. So you just take it this way, carry it. It also has adjustables. See on the strap, you can adjust this. You have 2 extra holes here. You just take this. Just slide it up to the hole that you want it and place it there in that position. But I will be carrying this bag mostly like this. I love the size on it. Oh, I love it. This is perfect if I'm traveling, going to the airport, going to work. So I'd like to thank you, Teddy Blake, for sending me this nice bag. Thank everybody for watching this video. Comment down below. Bam. Don't forget to use the hashtag Teddy Blake and share it in the comment section. Show me your bag. Don't forget to use my coupon code. And remember, girl, they got a sale. So go buy your bag. Get your bag. Show your boo, show your hub in this video. Tell him, here's a sale. Go get me a bag. And of course, y'all know supporting mom. I'm going to talk to you the next time.
Invincible.